Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how we could use ChatGPT to get the highest ranking on YouTube using the ChatGPT. Okay, so all you have to do is create one time a prompt and use it on daily basis, such as create X video for whatever reason and use it on your YouTube channel. So I'm gonna give you an example, quick example right here. Okay, I'm gonna give you the example as if I'm creating a fictional horror story for my YouTube channel. So I asked ChatGPT to create a fictional horror story for my YouTube channel, include the description for my description box, including tags with commas, okay, with commas, and the most search title for YouTube relating to my video. Then I hit style it for YouTube, okay, and guess what? Let me show you the results right now. You get the point, right? So basically, AI is 10 million times smarter than humans. It'll generate for you all in one under ChatGPT. All you have to do is create the prompt and let the magic do the business for you. Okay. So, most search YouTube title, it created the title that I want, which is true scary, camping horror story, whatever. Then it created also at the same time the story script. So I jump all the way to the description box section and I copy this and I paste it in my description box. And then I get the tags, copy and paste them on your YouTube tags section using the ChatGPT. You get the point? I guess you got the point. So I will guarantee you 95% you will always rank on YouTube and you will always get a better ranking on the search engine of YouTube. Okay? This is the best advice that I could ever give you, and you will thank me later. Okay, don't forget to like and follow for more